Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome, my dear sons, students of third preparatory, to a new lesson of science. We have here lesson 2 in unit 2, electric current and electric cells. In this unit, we are talking about electricity. In the previous lesson, we have studied the importance of electric energy and the physical properties of the electric current. We remember that the electric energy is a very important energy in our life. We use it in our daily life for many purposes. For example, lighting lamps, lighting, say, streets, operating machines, lighting electric devices at home, like TV, computer, refrigerators, air conditioners, and so on. So we use electric energy in many purposes. Because the electric energy is a clean source of energy, it doesn't cause any pollution. We prefer it rather than any other type of energy. So here we are talking about the sources of the electric current and the types of the electric current. We can say that the electric current is a flow of electric charges, negative charges, which is electrons, the flow of electrons through a conductor. This electric current can be generated by two methods or by two ways. The first way is converting the chemical energy into electric energy. From chemical energy we can get electric energy, and this is made by electrochemical cells, which are called batteries or dry cells. In the battery we change the chemical energy into electric energy, and the electric current produced is called direct current, or we can say DC, direct current or DC. The other way of production of the electric current by changing the mechanical energy into electric energy, and this happens in the electric power stations, by using electric generators or dynamos. The electric current produced from the electric generators is called the alternating current, or we can say AC. We will compare between the direct current and the alternating current now. We start with the direct current. We talk about its definition and its source and its advantages and its uses. So we are talking about the direct current in the beginning. The direct current is defined as the electric current with a constant intensity, which flows in one direction, as electrons flow from one pole of the electrochemical cell to the other pole, or to all components of the electric circuit, then to the other pole. And the direct current is called direct because it has one direction. It is unidirectional. So it is called by this name, the direct current. And also, the intensity of the direct current is fixed. It has a constant intensity. You cannot change the current intensity, so it is constant in intensity and has one direction. The source of the direct current is the electrochemical cells, like the dry cell or the simple cell, which we use in maybe laptops or in torches, which we use it in mobile phones or in the car. We use the dry cell or the electrochemical cells in many uses. And from the disadvantage of the direct current, is that it is transported only for short distance. You cannot transport it for long distance. We can only transport it for short distance. The uses of the direct current in electroplating and operating some machines or appliances. Electroplating means that covering a metal object like a watch or a spoon or a knife, covering it by another metal, maybe gold or silver. You can coat or electroplate a device by another metal. And the conversion of the direct current to the alternating current is unavailable. You cannot convert the direct current into alternating current. So the direct current has less uses in our life because it can be transported only for short distance. You cannot transfer it to alternating current. It is used only in some uses like electroplating and operating some small devices like the toys or the clocks or the laptops or something like this. Now we can move to the alternating current. The definition of the alternating current is it is the electric current with a variable intensity. Its intensity can be changed, and the flow in two directions. As electrons flow in one direction at the beginning, then starts to flow in the opposite direction. So it is variable in direction. This cycle is repeated many times with high speed. So the alternating current is variable in direction, and also it is variable in intensity. You can change its intensity. And it is produced from the electric generators or dynamos. Electric generators are found in electric power stations. Like in Egypt, we have big or huge electric generators in the high dam. We depend on the falling of water, the energy, the mechanical energy of the falling of water to generate electricity. Or the dynamo, which is used in cars or cycles, bicycles, and so on. We can transport the alternating current for short distance or for long distance. You know, the alternating current is produced in electric power stations, and it can be transported for long distance to the cities, to the factories, to the streets by using long cables. You can transport it for long distance, and this is from the advantages of the alternating current. And the alternating current has many uses, so we prefer the alternating current. He can ask me, alternating current is preferable than the direct current. You can say, because it can be transported for long distance or short distance, it has variable intensity and variable direction, and it is used in lighting houses, lighting streets, operating electric appliances and machines at homes, at schools, and at streets, and so on. So the alternating current has many advantages more than the direct current. And also the alternating current can be converted into direct current. You know, when you charge a laptop, when you put the charger to charge a laptop battery or charge a mobile phone battery, you change the charger, change the alternating current, maybe with 220 volt into a direct current. Change the alternating current with high voltage, 220, into a direct current with a small voltage, maybe 6 volt only. So the alternating current is preferable. It has a variable intensity and variable direction. Thank you everybody, until we meet again in another lecture.